Welcome to Dubai, the land of extraordinary experiences, architectural wonders, and cultural treasures. Dubai offers a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, making it a dream destination for travelers worldwide. Let's explore the most amazing and best places to visit in Dubai to make your trip unforgettable. Iconic landmarks and experiences. Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, standing at 828 meters with breathtaking views from its observation decks. Experience at the top, Burj Khalifa, for panoramic vistas of the city skyline. Enjoy luxury dining at Atmosphere, the tower's signature restaurant. Palm Jumeirah, a man-made island shaped like a palm tree, offering luxury resorts and fine dining. Visit Atlantis, the Palm, for world-class attractions like Aquaventure Water Park and the Lost Chambers Aquarium. Take a helicopter ride or boat tour for stunning aerial views of the island. Dubai Marina, a luxurious waterfront area known for skyscrapers, yachts, and upscale dining. Walk along the Marina Walk, lined with cafes and boutiques. Take a dhow cruise at night to enjoy the city lights from the water. Dubai Frame, a massive golden structure offering a unique view of old and new Dubai. Walk on the glass-floored sky deck for a thrilling experience. Discover the Dubai Museum at the base for insights into the city's history. Dubai Mall, one of the world's largest malls, offering shopping, dining, and entertainment under one roof. Witness the Dubai Fountain Show with choreographed water performances. Explore Kidzania, VR Park, and Dubai Aquarium for family-friendly activities. Cultural and historical highlights. Al Fahidi Historical District, a preserved heritage area showcasing Dubai's past with narrow lanes and wind towers. Visit Al Fahidi Fort, the city's oldest structure, housing the Dubai Museum. Enjoy traditional Emirati food at Arabian Tea House. Dubai Creek, a natural saltwater inlet separating old and new Dubai. Ride an Abra, traditional boat, for a picturesque experience. Explore the Gold and Spice souks for authentic shopping experiences. Jumeirah Mosque, a stunning example of Islamic architecture open to non-Muslim visitors. Join a guided tour to learn about Emirati culture and traditions. Take stunning photos of its intricate white stonework and minarets. Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding, participate in cultural programs and traditional meals. Learn about Emirati customs and heritage through guided experiences. A perfect spot to bridge cultural gaps through interactive sessions. Natural wonders and outdoor activities. Desert safari, experience thrilling dune bashing in Dubai's Golden Sands. Enjoy camel rides, quad biking, and sandboarding. Relish a barbecue dinner with cultural performances at desert camps. Miracle Garden, a colorful garden featuring over 150 million flowers arranged in stunning designs. Marvel at attractions like the Floral Emirates A380 replica. Best visited during cooler months for full bloom displays. Dubai Fountain, the world's tallest choreographed fountain show with water jets reaching 500 feet. Located near Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall for easy access. Watch captivating performances synchronized to music and lights. Kite Beach, a favorite spot for kite surfers, sunbathers, and adventure seekers. Try water sports like paddleboarding, jet skiing, and kayaking. Explore food trucks and jogging tracks along the shoreline. Family-friendly attractions. Global Village, a multicultural park offering food, shopping, and performances from around the world. Witness cultural pavilions showcasing over 90 countries. Enjoy live shows, carnival rides, and fireworks displays. Ski Dubai, an indoor ski resort located in Mall of the Emirates. Experience skiing, snowboarding, and penguin encounters. Perfect for escaping the desert heat and enjoying winter fun. Legoland Dubai, a theme park designed for kids and families with Lego-inspired rides and attractions. Visit the water park for slides and splash zones. Explore Minland, featuring Lego models of famous landmarks. Dubai Parks and Resorts, a massive entertainment complex featuring theme parks like Motion Gate and Bollywood parks. Enjoy unique rides, shows, and attractions for all ages. Stay at the luxury Lapita Hotel for a complete experience. Unique and offbeat experiences. And Dubai, the world's largest observation wheel offering unparalleled views of Dubai. Enjoy a private cabin or a dining experience while rotating 250 meters above ground. Located on Blue Waters Island with dining and entertainment options. City Walk, a contemporary urban space with shopping, dining, and art installations. Explore attractions like Coca-Cola Arena and the Green Planet. Enjoy street performances and a vibrant nightlife atmosphere. La Mer, a beachfront destination with trendy cafes, boutiques, and water activities. Relax in cabanas or indulge in water sports like jet skiing. perfect for family outings and vibrant photo spots. Dubai Opera, a world-class venue hosting concerts, ballets, and theatre performances. Admire its Dao-inspired architectural design. Check out its rooftop restaurant for pre-show dining. Architectural marvels Museum of the Future, a futuristic building with an eye-catching torus-shaped design symbolizing innovation. Showcasing cutting-edge exhibitions on science, technology, and sustainable living. Interactive experiences for exploring the future of robotics, space travel, and AI. Dubai Water Canal, a stunning artificial canal offering spectacular views and modern architecture. Walk along the illuminated waterfall bridge for mesmerizing night views. Take a dhow cruise or kayak through the canal for a unique perspective. Cayenne Tower, known as the Twisted Tower, it's an architectural wonder in Dubai Marina. Enjoy a picturesque skyline view from nearby cafes or yachts. An ideal spot for photography enthusiasts to capture unique designs. Luxurious experiences Atlantis, the Palm experiences stay in luxurious underwater suites for a one-of-a-kind lodging experience. Dine at world-class restaurants like Nobu and Oceano. Explore private beaches and indulge in exclusive spa treatments. Armani Hotel Dubai, a luxury hotel located inside Burj Khalifa designed by Giorgio Armani. Enjoy personalized services, exquisite dining, and stylish accommodations. Perfect for travelers seeking elegance and exclusivity. Yacht cruises, charter a private yacht for a luxurious ride along Dubai's coastline. Witness iconic landmarks like Burj Al Arab and Atlantis from the water. Ideal for celebrating special occasions or unwinding with a sunset cruise. Beaches and Islands JBR Beach, a vibrant beachside destination with restaurants, shops, and family activities. Try parasailing or banana boat rides for added fun. Relax in cabanas with stunning views of the Arabian Gulf. Al Mamzar Beach Park, a serene beach park offering picnic areas, swimming pools, and cycling tracks. Rent a private chalet for a comfortable family outing. Perfect for a relaxing day amidst greenery and the sea. World Islands, a man-made archipelago resembling the world map. Stay at luxurious resorts like Anantara and explore private beaches. Ideal for romantic getaways or private events. Nightlife and entertainment Dubai Opera District, a lively area around Dubai Opera offering rooftop lounges and fine dining. Explore vibrant nightlife with live music and artistic performances. A perfect mix of culture and modern entertainment. The Point, Palm Jumeirah, a waterfront dining and entertainment destination with spectacular views. Watch the world's largest fountain show while dining al fresco. Offers a range of international cuisines and family-friendly activities. Skydiving in Dubai, experience tandem skydiving with incredible aerial views of Palm Jumeirah or the desert. An adventure like no other for thrill seekers and adrenaline enthusiasts. Capture your unforgettable moment with professional photography packages. Hidden gems in Dubai Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary, a protected wetland area home to flamingos and other migratory birds. Free access to watch wildlife from observation decks. A peaceful escape from the bustling city. Love Lake Dubai, a heart-shaped lake located in Al Qudra Desert, perfect for romantic outings. Surrounded by lush greenery and stunning walking trails. Ideal for picnics, photography, or simply relaxing in nature. Dubai Butterfly Garden, a tropical garden featuring over 15,000 butterflies in colorful enclosures. A must-visit spot for families and nature enthusiasts.